The position of a particle at time t is given by the parametric equations x equals sine t and y equals cos t. Ooh, a circle. What is the maximum distance that the particle travels from the origin? Well, if this is a circle, then it would make sense that the maximum distance is going to be the radius of that circle. Look at me drawing an absolute perfect circle. Do you like it? You shouldn't. It's awful. So that would be the radius. Well, how do you find the radius of a circle? Well, r squared is going to equal x squared plus y squared. So in this case, r squared is going to equal x squared, which is sine squared, sine squared t, and y squared is going to be cos squared t. Now, wouldn't you know it? I'm pretty sure I know exactly what that is. That is a Pythagorean theorem identity. So sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Square root 1, don't worry about the plus or minus because we're in real world terms. R is 1. So the answer is 1.